Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Pro and I will show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, first step, open settings calendar application, which is, you can search it, calendar application, and there we can change view to be easy to add for a month maybe. And now we tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 29th of April, and there this plus icon and event. First we can add title of our event. There we can add this event to our group on Gmail, our family member. When we have our family group on Gmail, there we can set when event starts and finish and which time, or by the switch we can also set it will be all day event. Repeat of that, maybe every month, maybe every year, what you need. We can add people to this event, video conference, location of that if we need it, notification, maybe today before at 9, and we can add more than one notification. We can change color, which we see in our calendar, description and attachment to that. When you set all you need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!